welcome back to my channel, Inday Badiday Vlog. So guys, nandito naman po ako ngayon. Mag-vlog ako. May sasabihin po ako sa inyo. Pakinggan niyo po ako. So guys, today is 13? September 13? So I still have 11 days to go before my birthday. So guys, wish ko sana sa inyo, I hope that to those subscribers who doesn't subscribe my channel yet, first, as a gift to me, please watch my videos and like and subscribe my channel. And to those people who subscribes and like and watch already my videos, thank you so much guys. You really made my day guys. So I hope guys you won't forget to like, subscribe, then click nyo yung button para updated po kayo to all my videos. And I think well, my wish is to have good health, and especially my family, my parents. I hope God won't give them a big problem, and I hope they're always in a good health. And of course guys, I'm wishing my Vivo V15, but I don't know because I went to SM and they said they say something to me. They did credit card and I don't have credit card. Then maybe I can't get my wish, my Vivo V15. And it's so expensive, guys. Maybe only my wish, but I don't know if I can get it because it's really expensive. You know that phone, guys, right? Vivo V15, it's really expensive. I think it's 18,000 pesos. So I don't know if I can get it because SM wants many IDs, and then I don't have. I'll get only one, and then the down payment is too expensive, and they said it's nice to use a credit card, but I don't have credit card. And they said, why you don't pay as a cash, mom? And I said, a cash? I don't have a cash. Oh my god. But anyway, it's okay because this phone that I'm using, guys, it's not mine. It's to my friend because my phone got broke. So I just borrowed this to my friend Jane. So guys, please as a gift to me, please subscribe my channel, then watch my videos at least 3 minutes, and like also my videos, guys. Even you don't like it, guys, please like it. So please guys, as a gift to me, can you subscribe my channel, like my videos, my all videos, you know what I mean, guys? Chong please. So guys, before you subscribe and like my videos, please don't comment than subscribes, than hugging you, than kissing you, than pinching you, than kicking you, than sending love to you, because guys, YouTube doesn't like it. YouTube will put that comment into the trash, and if you subscribe already, YouTube will put that on the trash. And guys, we are wasting our time if YouTube will put that in the trash. Okay? Guys, ang sayang yung subscribes natin sa bawat channel natin, sayang yung like natin, yung views natin, kung magko-comment po kayo ng dan subscribes, dan hugging you, dan kissing you, dan sending love to you, dan kicking you, dan pinching you, I'm waiting you, something like that, guys. It's not allowed because it's like you're, I don't know, guys, but really, it's not allowed. Instead of collecting many subscribers, YouTube will collect and minus more than 1 subscriber if someone will comment like that words. Okay guys, please don't do that. So guys, as a gift to me, because I can't get my phone, my Wish. I can't get that because it's too expensive. Oh, so sad. I can't get that. So please guys, as a gift to me, please like, subscribe, and click the bell button para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga videos ko as a gift to me on my birthday. Yay! It's almost my birthday, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Bad. So guys, if you're new on this channel, please, as what I have told you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button so you can get a notification for my new vlog. Bye-bye, Inday Dudong. Bye-bye sa inyong lahat. See you on my next vlog. Until tomorrow, because this vlog is 5th vlog of this day, I think. So guys, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget my gift for my birthday, guys. Only subscribe. And bye-bye.